I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
Long days at work on the weekdays and craving restaurant quality food, and the last thing you feel like doing is spending hours in the kitchen or having unhealthy takeouts. Weeknight meals don't have to be so boring. This vegan gluten-free orange tofu recipe is crispy, sweet, and tangy, and it all comes together in under 30 minutes. It's a perfect, delicious plant-based choice to cheer up the evenings. With just a few natural ingredients, it's so much cheaper and tastier than takeout. This luscious sweet and savory glazed crispy tofu is a vegan version of the classic orange chicken that pairs well over steamed rice and a mug of honey iced tea. Hi there, this is Reese Sampson and welcome to another healthy recipe. At the end of this video, please make sure you click on the like, hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell so you get notified whenever I release a new video. I'm also on Facebook, Reese Sampson Vlogs, so head on over there and make sure you hit the like. I'm also on Instagram, so please do follow at Risa_Sampson. Now let's start cooking. The ingredients of the crispy tofu are the following. The ingredients of today will also be placed in the description below. 4 pieces firm tofu blocks, 4 tablespoons cornstarch, slice the tofu blocks to inch-size cubes, lay the tofu cubes flat on a towel and pat them with a little pressure to squeeze out the excess water. Transfer the tofu cubes into a bowl. Sprinkle the cornstarch and toss till the tofu pieces are all coated. This will make the tofu crispy. Heat up a non-stick pan and set it to medium heat. Drizzle a little coconut oil and fry the tofu cubes. Turning them time to time till they turn slightly brown. Then, turn off the heat and take them out of the pan and set aside. Meanwhile, the ingredients for the orange sauce are the following: 4 cloves garlic, 2-inch piece ginger, 4 tablespoons vinegar, 4 tablespoons honey, 3 oranges, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 4 tablespoons coconut aminos, a gluten-free substitute for soy sauce, and a few spring onions for garnish. Chop the spring onions. Mince the garlic. Mince the ginger. And set aside. Zest the oranges to get 1 tablespoon orange zest. Squeeze the oranges and extract 1½ cup orange juice. In a bowl, mix all the ingredients: the orange juice, the vinegar, the coconut aminos, honey, the garlic, the ginger, orange zest, and cornstarch. Mix till all are combined. In the same non-stick pan, start up the fire and set it to medium heat. Bring the mixture to a simmer while continuously stirring till the sauce thickens a little. Then, turn off the heat. Place in the crispy fried tofu and toss till all are coated with the orange sauce. Our vegan orange tofu is ready to be served. Enjoy a bowl of this crispy orange tofu with sticky orange sauce, garnished with spring onions, rather than calling for a takeout. Who would have thought that orange would taste so good in a savory dish? Halve chunks of ultra crispy tofu coated with homemade sticky sweet orange sauce with rice for a really hearty and satisfying meal, and goes perfectly with a mug of honey iced tea.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos. Before we end, please don't forget to share this healthy recipe and check out my other easy and healthy recipes on my playlist. So that's it for today. Till the next one, happy eating!